Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today's lesson is 8.1, Ratio and Unit Rates. The learning targets are, I will express relationships using ratios, and you are also going to be finding unit rates. So we've got a lot of review terms. Okay, sorry about that. We have a number of terms that we need to review, and you've learned these back in 6th grade. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities or numbers, and they must have like units. A rate is a ratio that compares two different units, such as 100 miles for 2 hours or $5.50 for 2 gallons. Those are two examples of rates. A unit rate is just like a rate. All of these things are related here. It's just like a rate. It is a rate, but it's expressed with 1 as the second number, or the denominator. So instead of 100 miles for 2 hours, it's 50 miles for 1 hour. It's just for 1 hour. And instead of 2 gallons for $5.50, it's $2.75 per gallon. And the way we calculate unit rate, all you have to do is divide, because if you remember, this bar right here, that bar right there, that's the same thing as a division sign, right? So all we have to do is divide. So divide the first quantity, or numerator, by the second quantity, which is the denominator. Okay, I'm moving on to the next screen. Okay, there are 3 ways to write ratios. You can either write a ratio as A, whatever the number is A, to B, so you can write it with the word to, or you can write and read it as A to B using a colon, or the method that we use most of the time is the A over B, which is still A to B, comparing those two numbers. Next, we would like you to write the ratio of boys to girls in your family using each of the 3 different ways. So you are going to use the word to, and you're going to put the number of the number of boys in that box and the number of girls in that box. And then you're going to do the same thing here using your colon. Boys to girls. Since boys is written first, that needs to be the first number written. And then you're going to put boys to girls. So fill in those boxes according to your family. And to wrap up today's lesson, we are going to talk about unit rate in real life, or I want you to think about it. So your math teachers are asking that you generate a list of 4 to 5 situations of real life examples for unit rate other than the ones that we have already talked about or listed above. Okay, so tomorrow in class we're going to practice a little more with unit rate, and this is going to come from page 79. We're going to work on numbers 1 through 4, problem number 7, and then 9 through 16. Have a great day.